Welcome back. In this video, we're exploring one of the most powerful features of GitHub Copilot Chat, extension. This gives you Copilot enabled tool directly inside VSCode, helping you code smarter, debug faster, and stay focused without switching tabs. Before we dive into examples, let's look at the most common use extensions. @Workspace gives Copilot full context of your entire code base. @GitHub pull insight directly from issue, pull request, and commits. @terminal translates command line error and suggests fixes. @VSCode helps customize your editor, settings, and debugging environment. And here is the best part. You are not limited just to use built-in ones. You can create your own extensions. If you would like me to create a tutorial on that, let me know in the comment below. When working on a project, it's easy to lose track of how files and modules connect. That's where Workspace really shines. It understands your entire code base and it can explain your project structure, dependency, and even the relationship between the different files. Let's say, if I want to know where a getAllUser function is being used, I can simply ask Workspace, where is the function getAllUser used? Or if I want to see how to file connect, say Workspace explain how customerorder.js in route folder connect with customerorder.js in controllers. Instead of digging through folders, I get clear explanation right away. Next up, let's look at the GitHub extension. Quick note before we dive in, this one is available only in GitHub Enterprise. If you are on GitHub Business or another version, you won't see in your editor, and that's expected. Now, what makes GitHub extension so powerful is that it saves you from constantly switching back and forth between GitHub and VSCode. With GitHub extension, it can summarize issue and pull request and review commit and all without leaving my editor. For example, if I quickly want to understand a pull request, I can ask GitHub summarize issue number in organization/repository. Copilot gives me summary of what's changing. Or if I want to look at a specific commit, I can type GitHub create a new pull request to add a new user feature in organization/repo. Now I can just click accept to create a pull request. This way, I still focus in my editor while still keeping up with repo updates. Next, let's see how terminal helps when you hit confusing error. Terminal error can be frustrating, specifically when they are confusing. That's where terminal comes in. It translates error into plain English, even suggests possible fixes. For example, let's say I hit an error, I can ask terminal explain the error and I will put error. Copilot tells me exactly why it happened and what I can do to fix it. Here is another one. If my database isn't connecting, I can ask terminal how do I fix and add error description. Instead of wasting time googling, I get clear troubleshooting steps right inside my editor. Finally, customizing VSCode can be a bit tricky if you don't know where to look. That's where VSCode extension help, making it easy to change setting or setup for debugging. For example, if I want to change my editor theme, I can ask VSCode change theme. Copilot show me a button that takes me straight to the theme setting. Or if I am setting up debugging for Node.js application, I can ask VSCode how do I debug my Node.js application, and Copilot walk me step by step through the setup. We just saw how the four main extensions Workspace, GitHub, Terminal, and VSCode streamline coding, debugging, and customization without leaving your editor. And remember, the example I said are just beginning. Each of the extensions can do much more to fit your own workflow. In the next video, we will shift to context. a feature designed to improve Copilot accuracy by focusing on exact file, function, or code segment you choose. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe for more Copilot Chat tutorial, and share your thought or question in the comment below.